Hi there, this is Bob Tamburi with Ashley Audio. We're here at ISE 2020. Thanks for joining us at our booth. We've got some more new speaker products to talk about. Our IS series are a linear array column speaker designed not just for installation, but these are also well constructed enough to take around and bounce around and transport, and they're going to love you because they're really well constructed and designed to handle the day-to-day abuse that is typical of portable type speakers. So feel free to install these, feel free to use them for mobile applications. They're happy either way. These are really optimized for live performance situations, so these are going to fit into the house of worship, school auditorium, performing arts centers, as well as places like conference rooms where you can see these work very, very well next to flat panel displays or even underneath as a sound bar. Some unique attributes of these are that for many applications, especially distributed applications, most column speakers, especially with this size and footprint, are designed to work with transformers to work in 70 volt or 100 volt applications. Needless to say, you wouldn't be able to fit a very large transformer into a small speaker. The other problem with those, of course, is that they're not the best thing for sound quality. So we've opted to go with a transformerless design. On the back of these, there's an impedance selector that lets you go from an 8 ohm operation, which would be typical of, say, a live performance or portable use, to a 32 ohm setting. The 32 ohm setting means that you can use many, many more of these on a standard amplifier. So that gives you the same benefits as a distributed 70 or 100 volt system without the transformer getting away, without the added bulk and the added cost of a transformer. And it's a much easier setup. So as an example, some of our CA series amps as an example would allow you to run up to 32 of these on a single amplifier. So you can use lots and lots of these in distributed application if you need to do that. These are available in black or white. There's a matching 12-inch sub that, as you can see, allows you to put a pole mount, so you can do a sub and stick setup for portable use, is really nice. But the SP sub also can be used alongside the AW series, and that means that all the preset processing that we've built into our Protea and Aqua control devices is already set to go. So you can select any of these in the DSP. It's set to go out of the box. So those are shipping very, very soon. There's more information on these on our website. Come see us at www.ashley.com. Thanks again for joining us here at ISE 2020.